In this video, we are going to learn about primary colors and secondary colors and how to make tulip with an origami sheet. Let's study primary colors. So these are primary colors: red, blue and yellow. These are primary colors. Which are they? Red, yellow, blue. And now secondary colors. Secondary colors are orange, green and violet. Do you know when we mix blue with yellow color, which color form? Green. And when we mix yellow with red, which color form? Orange. And when we mix red with blue, which color form? Violet. So by mixing primary color, we can get secondary colors. So secondary colors are green, orange and violet. As you have learned about primary and secondary color, now it's time to have a fun in your My Book of Art and Activity. So what you are going to do here? You are going to color primary colors in this circle. They are yellow, red and blue. On page number 4, you have to do this activity. And on page number 6, you will color this picture secondary colors. So you will revise it very well and do the coloring very nicely. I hope you will enjoy this activity. Now let's learn how to make a tulip with the origami sheet. Yes, to make a tulip, the first step is you have to take an origami sheet. The first step, you have to take an origami sheet that should be square. Now the second step, you have to turn the origami sheet and you have to make the shape diamond. This is the second step. And the third step is you have to make a triangle. So how you are going to make a triangle? By folding the paper. Yes, this is what? This is the third step. And fourth step is you have to turn like this and you have to fold like this and your tulip is ready. And the fifth step is you have to take your scrapbook. This is your scrapbook. In this scrapbook, you have to write the date. You have to put the heading TULIP tulip and the classwork. You can take any color, any origami sheet you can take. So you have to paste like this with an glue. See, I have this glue stick. Feather stick I have. You have to put here and you have to paste it like this. And what you have to do, you can take green color. You can take green or white and then you have to make a line, straight line, and then you will make a leaf. You can make 2 leaves like this. So like this you have to paste your tulip flower. Your tulip flower is ready. Bye for now.